Hello guys, how are things with you? In this session I want to work on hole option and create a model and work on that. So at the first I have to find a plan and create a sketch on that. At the first let me draw a rectangle with this method. As you can see, the dimensions are in English. Then we can change it here. Document setting, use units, inches. The length, unit of length is inches, so you can change it to millimeter, and the mass to kilogram, and press OK. So here we can go back to sketch and choose dimension to have the dimension of all the lines. So we can choose 100 for this line and 100 for the other one, and go to 3D model, choose extrude. Okay, let me rotate this screen. Choose 15 millimeters for the thick of this rectangle shape. Then go to hole option and choose a point. This is not different to choose where of these plan. Just you have to choose just one point here. You can actually choose one of these options. Here is simple hole, here clearance hole, tapered hole, and taper tapped hole. So you can have such this shape. This is contour bore or spot face or contour sink, or you can use one of these three options for dimension. This is actually through all these shapes, and this has distances. You can set a dimension for that, and you can choose a surface to that hole goes to that surface, or you can choose the direction of the hole, and here we are able to choose the diameter of that hole. Let me choose 5 millimeters, or let me change it to 8. 8 is better, I think, and choose this option. Here we can click and change the dimensions. For example, here I want to change it to 14 for this diameter, and depth of 4, but 4 is not appropriate. Let me change it to 10. Okay, but 10 is too high. Let me change it to 8 millimeters. So everything I think is okay. So please press OK to create this hole. And now we can change the position of this hole. When you want to change this position, you can go to the hole in this bar here and click on the sketch 2, or right click on that and choose edit a sketch. Okay, our point is here. Okay, so we can set a dimension for that. For example, choose it and set a dimension 15 for top of that, and another one for this direction, again 15 is okay, I think, and finish sketches. but now I want to repeat this hole in this direction and both in the other direction. So in these two directions I want to repeat this hole. Then let me choose this item. This is rectangular pattern. So here I have to choose the hole, and here I have to click and choose the one of this direction, but the direction is in a wrong way. I can change it with this item. I want 3 holes, then I have to type 4, and here is the dimension between these 2 holes, which should be 30, for example, but 30 is too high. Let me change it to 20. Okay, but 20 I think is better, or 22. Okay, yeah, 22, and click OK. And again I want to repeat these 4 holes in this direction. I want to go to rectangular pattern, choose these items, and again choose the direction. I have to follow the same process again, exactly like the previous one. And I want 3 holes in here, 3 row of this hole, 25. But let me see from the top of the, I think 30 is better. Yeah, and click OK. As you can see, we have 12 holes in here, and then we want to put, for example, some screws on that. We can go to another assembly, because this is a part design media. We cannot add some screws in there here. So we can go to an assembly files and then import this part and some screw one, or some bolt or other part that we want. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.